Good day, Liam from tutortouch here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Bytello Share without any internet connection. So the first thing you need to do is go into the settings of the panel. So we are in the network settings. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is turned off, but when you go back one, you'll see that hotspot is turned on. The name of the hotspot is Android AP, and we have a password that we can connect with. And then I'll pull in a few of the devices that I'll use to connect. On the laptop, you will see, let me just go to the internet. You will see that I'm connected to Android AP and it says no internet. We'll go then to Bytello Share. And from there, you'll see that I can still put in the code and I'm still able to then mirror as I would normally. Let me just accept from this side. And just like that, without any internet connection, you are still able to connect your devices via Bytello Share. Let me do it on my phone just to show you as well. So if I go to settings, you will see it's connected to Android AP and it says no internet. I will then go over to Bytello Share. Same thing applies. Put in the code 262. That's 3. That's 3 again. Let's just use the normal enter. There we go. Share the entire screen and then accept on this side. And just like that, you are then able to use Bytello Share without any internet connection. You still have the touch features as normal. Let me just show you. You're still able to use the touch features even without the internet. And yeah, that is how you would go about doing that. Thanks for watching.